We're looking at a GoPro Hero 11, the media module, the Pro Mic 3.5mm adapter, and any USB-C wireless mic that does not require power to the unit. We're going to do the Pro Mic 3.5mm adapter first. Turn the camera on. Swipe down to the left. Preference, media mod, standard mic. This does not have power. If we plug it in, there should be a red light flashing over here. And the only way I can show this to you is hitting the on button, 1000. We're in pairing mode, so we're not getting power. If we go here and change it to power mic, we're not getting power. This setup will not work. I'm going to leave it on the standard mic and turn it off. I'm going to take a USB Type-C and I'm going to plug it into the actual unit. And when I do so, this will now power up the unit and work. I can hit my record and start my video. And I'm recording wireless mic. Record and start my video. And I'm recording wireless mic. Now the reason why this works like so with powered or non-powered is getting power from the external source to the receiver. This system here does not supply power to this unit at all. This option will get you the wireless mic to work only and only if you supply power to your receiver. Now the question will go, will the media mod work in the same scenario? The media mod, you can see the sound bar, the 3.5mm adapter with a Rode. You'll see the Pro Mic down here. This will show up correctly when you go to the mod, and that's what that is there for. So what we're going to do, you notice the sound bar. We're looking for the mic. We plug in the unit, and we still got the sound bar. Going to take a USB Type-C, plug it in, and the sound bar is going to disappear, but you notice that the microphone is there. We're going to hit record. As we're recording video, you're not going to hear anything from this particular piece or the camera. It'll probably be muted. I'll give you a playback. And this setup, like so, is failure. The only way for this wireless mic system to work will be 3.5mm to a USB Type-C. Even with a battery, this may or may not work. Any USB Type-C to the media module will not work. You're going to have, again, the Pro Mic 3.5mm adapter that will work. For some reason, this is the only thing that will work with the GoPro. I hope this video was somewhat informative. It helped you out if you're looking to put a USB Type-C to a GoPro media module. Have a great day.